Today's I am. It came from the comments and it says, I am grateful and thankful for God's blessings. I am grateful and thankful for God's blessings. That is today's I am. I am going to work on my left eye, which will be your right, and it is another Pantone color. I want you to enjoy this. Take your palettes out and let us have some makeup fun. I'm starting with the darker shade first, and I will put it in the outer corner. I'm going to use 3 different shades of brown in the crease. And after that, we'll decide what I need on the lids. Today's I am thankful and grateful for God's blessings. We all have to be thankful and blessed for God's blessings. Life gives us many curveballs, and without God's blessings, things could be very, very different. I'm using an OG palette, old palette. I will show you at the end which palette it is. This is another brown I'm taking to put next to the darker brown. I'm just hoping everything shows up according to the plan I have. I have 2 browns on. I have the dark one, the lighter one, and I'm going to put a lighter one there because there are 3 browns in there. Today's card says, I am surrounded and filled with infinite wisdom. I am surrounded and filled with infinite wisdom. That is the card for today. Be filled with infinite wisdom. Surround yourself with infinite wisdom. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you are suffering with any addiction, mental illness, any other ailment, please seek help. Help is available to you. Never stop looking for help until you find what you are looking for. Do not give up on yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Always, always, always trust yourself. You know what you need, so don't give up on you. Do not give up on you. In this palette, there are 2 shimmers, so I'm going to just put that on the lids. I don't know what the shimmers look like. I haven't used that palette in a while. But whatever it is, we're going to go with it because it's a Pantone look. Ooh, I'm not sure now. Now, I don't know. So, no, maybe I should have swatched it. What do you think? Oh, Lord. We'll go with it. I didn't swatch it. This is the first one. Oh. Maybe I should have swatched it, but that's the fun of the whole thing, isn't it? The whole fun of this is to just go with it and trust it and do it and have fun with it. Creating another mocha mousse look. Pantone has a hold on me. Pantone has a hold on me. Yes, it does. It has a hold on me. This is the first shimmer. I'm going to try the next one again. I'm just going with what's in the palette. And we're just taking a chance. We are just taking a chance, okay? Now, second one, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is more of a glitter kind of shimmer. It's more loose. Oh, good thing I didn't do my face first. Yeah, so we're going for the look from the this is a chocolate mocha mousse Pantone color. I used 3 different browns in the crease. It doesn't even look like it because for some reason one is not showing up much. The middle one is not showing up much. But that's what we're going for. If you like my videos, I'm asking you please to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so when I do put another video out, YouTube will notify you. And you will not miss out on another good vibes, good video, fun and encouraging video. The second I am for today is I am blessed. I am blessed. I know it sounds so simple, but not everybody knows that they are blessed. I am blessed. That's the second I am for today. Pantone has a hold on me. Pantone have a hold on me. Pantone has a hold on me. The Pantone Mocha Mousse color has a hold on me. Hello, everyone. This is the look for today. Pantone colors. My lip combo is very interesting. Wait for it, wait for it. But before I tell you my lip combo, the palette that I use is an OG old school palette. You'll have to have it. If not, you'll have to find it somewhere else because I don't think it's available anymore. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills with Jackie Aina palette. Old school. I use 3 colors in, well, 4. I use 5 colors in there. First, brown in the outer part of the middle. Second, brown is the one that's not showing much. It's in the middle. Third, brown. It's in the inner corner. Then this shimmer is in the outer corner. And this shimmer is in the inner corner. This shimmer is very loose. It will fall. Make sure you have glitter glue or sticky primer, or else you'll have little speckles over your face like I do. My base today is the Milani concealer. I use that all over my face with the one size Rich Peach to set it. That's my base. And my lip combo is the NYX Fat Oil and then the Nessamyrix Color Fix with the brown liner. That's my lip color. Thank you all again for watching another Pantone look. Pantone has definitely have a hold on me and I'm just going with the flow. Wherever it takes me, I am going to go with it. I'm asking you to subscribe and put on your notification bell so when another video comes out, you will be notified. I thank you very, very much. I love you all very, very much. And see you soon. Pantone is doing its thing and I am enjoying Pantone. Ah,